What's going on YouTube? Today I got a brand new video for y'all. Your friend Title, and today we're going to be using GSA Detail Supply single stage polish. It cuts, polishes, and seals all in one process, and it's great for removing swirl marks. As you guys can see, this paint is really messed up. Just look at all those swirls and scratches and stuff in that paint. If you could do a two-step polish, like a compound and then a polish after, of course it will come out a lot better. But we're going to see just how good the single stage polish from GSA Detail Supply will come out. I'm pretty certain it's going to come out really good, but let's go ahead and try it out. I'll be using a Rupes 15mm Mark III polisher. As you can see here, I have the Chemical Guys pads on it. I have the orange pad, which is the second to strongest cutting pad. The yellow one is the strongest. I'm going to be using the orange pad because I seem to get a little bit more better results out of the second to strongest one. What you want to go ahead and do is apply 4 drops of the single stage polish to your pad, just like this. Alright, starting with this side, and I'm going to take off the tape in the middle of it just to show you guys the difference between a before and then after. So let's get right into it and start depolishing. So I am going to be working at a 5, so let's go ahead and get this started. So that was after 1 pass. I will be doing 3 passes each way. So 3 passes this way and then 3 passes this way, just to get the best results at the end. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe this off and let's see how it comes out compared to the other side. And here you get these amazing results. Look at these results. Of course, we're not gonna get 100% of these scratches just because of the severity of how it is before. You see how bad that is. Come over here. Looks a lot more better. That color just pops out a lot more. Look how bad these scratches were before. Just like that. Come on this side. The single stage polish. Of course, those deep scratches we're not going to be able to get to, but just look at how much better it got. This is just with the single stage GSA Detail Supply polish with the orange cutting pad. If you guys would like to pick some of this stuff up, go down in the description below. Give me the first link in the description. Use code JMDetailing to get 5% off your order. If you text them on Instagram, make sure to tell them I sent you. These are amazing products. Not only do they sell polishing stuff, but they sell other detailing stuff. I'm going to put another video like this right here. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed. I'll be making more unboxings, car detailing videos and stuff like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.